Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Ciao! Happy Thanksgiving Day from Sicily! I know that you don't celebrate this day, but in Sicily, you know, we need to eat one more day after Christmas. That's why we have another day of feast. And I have the great pleasure to be in a small town. It's named Alimena, and this town is very small, and it's located in the heart of the Madonie Nature Reserve. And this time I'm very lucky because I have the great pleasure to have a Sicilian lady, but English speaking perfect, because she was born here, but she grew up in the States, and she's also a teacher, an English teacher. So today I'm really in trouble, guys. Help me. Put your thumb up for me. Vittoria, come with me.
Hello, Hawaii. Hello everyone, Sicily lovers. It's my first time in a video actually, even though I teach, I'm always around with many different people. I'm a little embarrassed today.
Don't be shy, because you are a beautiful lady.
I'm a little shy.
You are very comfortable with English, so if
yes.
I can go live, you can do it better than me.
Well, yes, not better than you, because you speak English very well.
Ah, thank you. She's so kind with me. I know. Thank you.
Okay.
So, yeah, where we are?
Allora, we are at Alimena, which is a small town in the Madonie Reserve Nature, and it's about 750 meters from above the sea level, actually. An old city, let's say an old town, actually, because it's a town with 1,800 inhabitants. Very small.
So very quiet.
Well, yes, too quiet maybe sometimes. But what else can I say about my small town? It's a nice place to live, actually. If you want to live in
retired, maybe here.
But well, maybe also you can retire here and be very comfortable. No traffic, no pollution, nothing. I hope you enjoy our walk, because tonight we'll show you something that we'll do the day after Christmas. Because like Rosella said, we have to celebrate another day, because it's not enough 2 days of Christmas, but we have to celebrate 3 days. So today is one of the days that we celebrate St. Stephen's Day. And in my small town today, they have what they call the live nativity set. And you'll see what's happening. It's very beautiful.
One of the most beautiful. Yes. It's unique, because they did the entire setup, and there are more than 100 people involved in this nativity scene, and we are going to discover more than 30 different scenes.
About 30 scenes, yes, all different, from old, before Christ, actually. And we'll see what's going on. We'll see it, because you have to see to understand.
And again, Merry Christmas to all our Sicily lovers.
All our Sicily lovers, that's right.
So, stay with us, and let's start.
Follow us, and we'll explain what we see while walking in the streets.
Amo ninni, care picciotte, picciotte, caruse e caruse. Amo ninni. Let's start with the first scene. We have a new cell phone, so please tell us if the quality of the video is good, and if also the audio is good. So we can start from the beginning, the door.
The door. This is the beginning of the entrance of the old. This is the oldest part of the town of the Alimena. The oldest part of Alimena, and you see there's a lot of old houses still kept very nicely, actually. And
Giovanni, say hello. We are live. Let me thank the vice mayor of Alimena. Ciao Giovanni, thank you for hosting us.
Buonasera, benvenuti e grazie per essere qui stasera.
We are starting our walking tour, so see you later. Ci vediamo dopo.
Ok.
Okay. This is our first, let's say, our first part of the nativity set, the live nativity set. This is actually when the old people had to register themselves to go into the town, and this is a place where you have to register. Every citizen had to register before entering the old part of the set.
This is
You
the
can
register.
see,
Yes.
This is the register with all the signatures of all the people who visited the old cities.
Lo faccio entrare?
Fateli entrare. Chi siete voi? Perché siete vestiti in questo modo?
Re Baldassare.
Re. E tu?
Re Melchiorre.
Re. A me risulta che ci sia un solo re.
E sicuramente non si chiama Baldassare.
E l'unico re è Cesare.
Ma noi non siamo re di questa terra, siamo d'Oriente.
Veniamo da molto lontano.
Venite da molto lontano. E cosa vi porta nella dispersa provincia della
Seguiamo la
Giudea?
stella cometa.
Seguite una stella.
Perché è nato il vero re, non di questa terra, il re del mondo.
Il vero re. C'è solo un re. E l'unico re è Cesare. Ma anche noi siamo alla ricerca di questo profeta. Andate ad adorarlo. E quando lo troverete tornate da noi e diteci dov'è, in modo tale che anche noi possiamo andare a dare dei nostri doni, i doni di Roma.
Sicuramente sarà fatto.
Andate.
Bye bye.
Victoria, what they did?
Okay, these were actually the three I Re Magi, what they called the king, the people went to visit God after he was born, and they brought some gold, some presents, let's say, to God. We're gonna see them later on when we arrive at the final position of this live nativity set. Now this is the house where we're going to enter. It's one of the old houses inside the ancient house, how they used to live in ancient time. And here they are doing some wall, they're working on wall, as you can see.
Buonasera.
Buonasera.
Salutiamo che siamo in diretta.
Ciao, come state? Saluta gli americani tutti.
So
They're working on walls. They're doing, because in the old time, in the ancient times, wool was one of the things that usually women used to work. And this is a table with all the things they used to eat at the time: bread, boiled potatoes, and nuts, oranges, and these are
Piselli,
please.
yeah.
lenticchie,
Plantains over here.
Thank you.
lì fave
We have also fava beans.
Fava
e
beans,
uova,
and eggs. What are the eggs?
uova di là.
Eggs on this side.
Oh, this side.
Eggs.
And look at the roof.
Look at the roof and the whole house.
And also the height of the house is very small, no?
Small. You know,
Perfect for me, for my sides.
no, it's good for our size, actually.
Ciao!
Ciao,
Sabini Rica!
Ciao.
Arrivederci.
And now we are approaching one of the oldest streets of Alimena.
Yes. This is the oldest part of the Alimena, actually, where all the houses are still the way they used to be. Nothing is. Very little houses are remodeled, are new here, because most of them are still old houses, kept, of course.
Then we have the prison galera. It means prison.
Prison. This is an old prison where. This is an old prison.
They are asking for help. Good luck. This way.
Let's go. This is il falegname, of course, a wood maker. He works in the ancient times. The people used to work. These are all things that are really, they don't exist anymore, actually.
Buonasera, che facete giavagliati? Are you working? Let me see. What are you doing? Cosa stai facendo?
Come si dice? Match?
In siciliano dillo.
Match.
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 E lei che sta facendo? Sta lisciando ligno.
He's the woodmaker, the woodworker helper.
Let's get inside to see the house. Oh, as you can see, it's very, very old. Look at the floor made with stones.
The floor made with stones. Look at the walls, all. Look at the lights over here. Look at this.
Oh, this is very
This is
ancient.
very ancient. Look at it. Nothing has been touched from
From the past.
the past in this house, actually. Look at this. Go over there. Look at where they used to keep all their.
They store, no? All the ancient tools. Yes. Oh, look at this.
Inside this room, they used to keep all the ancient their tools.
So your ancestors used to live in a place like this, and there is a people who just wrote Edward Biasi. Do you know Biasi? It's from here. That's where my family is from. So this live broadcast is dedicated to all the people that have an origin here in Alimena, and also is a great moment to share with you this wonderful living nativity scene, and it's unbelievable because all the people from Alimena did it for free.
To do all this, they worked for more than a couple of months because they had to practice, and then you see there is a lot of scene that they had to reproduce like the old ancient times.
Yes,
and it's it took a lot of time and effort to do this actually.
Yeah.
And you know, my citizens were very good at it, and there's more than 100 people that you're going to see tonight.
Yeah. Let's see. This is only the third.
This is only the third station.
So we have more than
35.
Yeah. So let's go.
We have more than 35 scenes. Still.
Sabini Rica. This way, Vittoria.
No, this way.
I'm always wrong, guys.
We have to go this way, not this. I'll tell you then.
Thank you for supporting me. Ciao, Sabinerica.
Okay, let's go inside. There is the il mulino, il mulinaro.
Let's see the
Mulinaro si chiama.
Mulinaro.
And this is
Pepe. Oh.
What are you doing? Cosa sta facendo?
Sto immaginando il frumento.
immaginare il frumento is
Crushing the wheat.
See, that's right. And this is they used to make flowers by doing this. They used to, if you can see, giralo. Gira che poi si esce.
No, quanto che da lì è cavo frumento prima. E poi
This is grain. Over here, and they used to make. They made flowers with this. Look at that.
So the is crashing and flour is coming out.
That's right. And flour is coming out.
And what about this? It's cleaning, right?
It's cleaning the grain before they put it in this old machine to become.
Thank you so much.
Giuseppe, dici qualcosa in siciliano.
E allora si puliziava il frumento, si annettava come si diceva prima, si faceva la rosa, o crevo e si ci lavava tutta l'ordia.
Si annettava che cosa, dai.
So she's complaining the man. Look at this scene.
Ma si annettava da qualche documento e poi si puliziava.
Show this, because this is an old one over here.
Signora, non vada via, siamo in diretta in America, in Canada, in Australia, ci faccia un saluto.
Buona serata. Lei come mai si trova qua ad Alimena?
Che a fare a birra un presepe?
A chi appartiene lei?
Non sogno ricca. Sogno straniera, I'm a foreign here.
Va bene.
Grazie.
Le è piaciuta questa manifestazione?
Oh, and
Credo che era nell'aria. Quando è supposto.
This is where they used to clean the grain before.
Ferma un attimo.
Stiamo oscuro, aspetta che.
Sì, siamo oscuro.
Purtroppo se.
Mettete manticchie e luci, con cellulare.
Che ci rendevo un pochino.
Lo posso fare io?
Usiamo.
Oh,
Ok.
so. They are
Queste sono fave.
fava beans, they are cleaning.
La fava che è buona, che si fa le forte, che è buona per squadrarle.
They used to boil.
They used to boil this, and
E ne manca pure un vino però.
They need
they were
wine.
very good with wine, actually.
Ciao. Grazie. Oh no, it's okay. Guys, what do you think about this setting? Oh, look at the moon over there. Can you see? Let me zoom it. The moon. Eccoli.
Okay, qua siamo. This is an
Oh.
old where they used to
Un
make
forno.
bread, actually. The old bread baker.
Let's see the old bakery. Buonasera. Che sta facendo, signora?
stiamo preparando il pane.
Allora, these are bread. They're making bread like they used to do it in the ancient times. Scusa un minuto.
So this is the maida, no?
Maida, what they call
Questa è la maida che si
maida.
bacia il
And
pane.
this is
Si chiama maiglia sembastopano, questo per la piccola, prima erano quelli
Questo
grandi.
forno c'era da prima.
No, ufficio locale.
So this lady is making bread.
Poi ci sono dei dialetti che si dice pane e figliuolo se ne fanno in tutto modo.
Oh, let's try to translate, Vittoria.
this is an
Okay.
old.
Let's see. So,
Riprenda bene questo signore che è l'artefice di tante cose qua.
Again, so repeat so Vittoria can translate, così Vittoria traduce.
Allora,
This is an old saying,
pane e figliuole se ne fanno in tutti i modi.
bread and
E
sons,
tradotto in
they
italiano,
can make it in many ways.
poi ce n'è nata,
Le-
chiacchiera di forno e pildita di pane.
Ah, chiacchiera di food. Oh, it means if you talk when you are making bread.
Then your bread is going to burn.
Si bruciò pane.
Let's see it. Then he's gonna burn his bread.
Do you have bread inside the oven? C'è il pane?
Qua c'è il pane, ecco qua, guarda.
Me lo faccia vedere, me lo faccia
Guarda
vedere.
che bello, guarda.
C'è da parlare in italiano.
Guarda, bellissimo.
Oh, small pieces of bread.
Small pieces of bread.
And look at
the
the
old
oven.
ancient oven
Yeah.
with the fire inside. This is an old
Guarda il momento che è pronto.
Wow.
Very good.
Un momento che è pronto.
Very nice.
Thank you so much. Sabini Rica.
Sabanamica, zia Maria, assai condivediamo. Zia Vittoria, quanta condivediamo.
The flour and the ancient pot where they used to knead.
That's not an ancient. This is an ancient what they called maida, but this is a small one because in the old times they used to have the huge ones. Because they used to bake bread once a week. And,
Only once a week,
once
yes.
a week, once depends.
Depends,
It all
yes.
depends on the family, how many people were in the family.
Siamo vicini di casa.
They are neighbors. That's why they are friends.
Siamo gli altri.
Sabini Rica, grazie.
Arrivederci.
Fino a mattina di Pasqua. È passato.
Questo qui che cos'è?
Let's see, we have a cartidaro, so the basket maker.
He's a best.
Ora faccio.
Buonasera.
In the ancient time, they used to make these baskets. People used to use them to go to the in the countryside when they used to
carry the food, no?
To carry all kinds of food and vegetables also. These were the old plastic bags, actually.
Yes. More natural.
More natural. Better than the one we use now, actually. No?
Che cosa sta usando? Rami di che cosa?
Adesso sto spaccando le canne per poter fare tessere questo piccolo gestino.
Sta intrecciando, no?
Intrecciando, yes.
Questo. Ora faccio una
Look at the way he makes
una fascetta verde nel mezzo per spezzare il colore del panino.
Look how beautiful these small ones are.
Ora continuo con le canne.
You see?
Bianco.
A time-consuming job.
Yes. Nowadays they don't have this what they call mestieri anymore. Because,
Thank you for preserving ancient jobs like this.
Ancient jobs, actually.
Buon lavoro, Sabini Rica.
Nobody makes them anymore.
No.
Because
only few people.
Only old people, and it's they're very precious actually nowadays. We're still walking down the oldest. Now we have to go.
How many people still live here, Vittoria?
Right now, usually they say
1,000.
They say 1,100 people, but I think we are much less, because I don't think there's more than 1,000 people nowadays living here. But if you come during the summertime over here, summer is very beautiful because they have a lot of sacre, and then if you come in the month of August, it's very beautiful. Over here is making some some infusion, some.
Yeah. With laurel and lemon zest, we used to call canarino, right to digest, no?
Yes.
Buonasera.
Buonasera, saluta.
Oh, let's
go
go
into
in.
this.
What about this? This is a taverna.
This is an old, what they call the taverna. Actually, it's a bar where people used to drink wine.
Yes, a club.
They used to drink wine and have some bread, wine, boiled eggs. Also, boiled eggs.
Salutiamo.
And also they used to get drunk.
They used to get drunk
Look at where they put wine in.
You can see the bottles.
The bottles where they used to keep their wine. So usually people came in these places to have some olives. They used to eat olives, bread, fresh bread. Drink a lot of wine and cheese also.
Yeah.
Sempre per mangiare. Mangiano e bevono.
She's complaining because they want, they want to eat all the time. They want to drink.
Eat and drink all the time.
And they don't want to work. They are lazy people.
A saluto, compa, saluto.
You have to show this La Conca, huh? Because it's an old where people. This is what they used as to keep themselves warm during the winter, actually.
We call in my area braciera.
Braciera, conca in siciliano.
Se ci mette scorcia d'arancia per non far male alla testa.
Oh, this is a nice tip. So they are. She's putting orange zest to avoid the headache.
To avoid the headache, because
headache. And she's eating it inside, of course. So it's a nice place to spend time here.
No, ora non rispondere per ora che.
Let's go! Buonasera, grazie!
Buonasera!
Ciao Benerica!
Dio vi benedice sempre! La salute!
Ma c'è la mente tante chiede d'acqua, eh?
Ma che fa?
Abbiamo voluto proprio, guarda sulla
Buonasera!
Ogni giorno c'è fuori a tu.
Allora. Ciao, buone feste a voi. Ora dobbiamo andare al nostro spazzola. No. E dopo dobbiamo salire. Stiamo arrivando, eh?
We are trying to don't fall down. This way? No, this way.
No. This way.
It's like
over here.
It's like a labyrinth.
Yes, it is actually. The town is like this because even though I've been living here for a little while, most of these streets are new to me.
Let's see what this man is doing. Oh, it's an hard job.
It is.
You need a lot of.
A wood maker used to cut wood for that.
Wow, congratulations!
Grazie.
Complimenti!
Attenzione che può sortare.
Wow!
An ancient job also.
Sabine Rica!
Arrivederci, Sabana Rica.
And this is the house of this man, right?
The family's house over here. Let's go.
So let's get inside.
Aspetta, scusami.
Sì, sono in diretta in America.
Sì, ho capito, però così entrate sempre
voi e noi mettiamo tutto fuori.
So you can see all the another place to get warmer, and there are here the other handmade basket, and this is a set.
A set where they
Yes,
used
where they used to live with olives, and again old roof.
Ok.
So look at all the details.
Okay, this is the ricotta maker.
Oh,
here.
the ricotta maker.
I hope it's
In
ready
our
for the
family there are a lot of ricotta lovers. A che punto è sta ricotta?
Ora ci stiamo avvicinando.
Siamo pronti che ricotta? Buonasera, Sabine
Già
Rica.
fatta ricotta. It's already ricotta is already made.
Already made.
Questa è la
This
ricotta,
is fresh ricotta.
la voluta assaggiare a tu? Sì.
No, io non ne mangio, grazie.
Io mi faccio vedere.
Volete assaggiare?
I have to test fresh ricotta cheese.
Buona.
Ah,
No, no,
Is,
I don't eat cheese. I don't eat
Mix.
ricotta.
Ciao,
It's still hot.
I don't eat. I don't eat cheese.
You
and I
don't
eat. No, I don't eat cheese. I don't eat neither ricotta.
Ma in quale pentola l'ha preparata?
Qua c'è il formaggio, guarda. Te la faccio vedere solo che brucia le mani.
In this pot they're making cheese now. Look,
Guarda, questo è il formaggio che si cuoce.
cheese
Visto?
is making cheese so in this pot.
It's cooking.
He's cooking cheese right now because look how beautiful it is.
Wow.
Questo è il formaggio.
This is cheese.
Yes. Fresh cheese actually. Just made.
Per quanto tempo?
Una mezz'oretta
It
così.
has to cook
E
for
poi
at
è già
least
pronto.
half an hour before it becomes cheese actually.
Grazie. Sabine Rica.
Ciao America!
Devo entrare?
Yes, let's go inside.
Buonasera. Okay, this is a house where a family used to live. And the families used to live. Look at the way they used to keep
Warm.
warm.
Cosa sta facendo?
Io sto raccogliendo la lana per fare i maglioncini d'inverno, le calze, i berrettini.
With this, the ladies making wool. So during the summer, she can make some blouses, shirts, scarves, hats, all made of wool. This is an old bedroom coming. Maybe we will see light here.
Can you
Yes,
turn
I
on
can.
the light?
Of course.
In the meantime, I show this. Oh, an old ferro da stiro?
Yes, an old iron.
Iron, yeah.
Look.
Wow.
And look at the
Let's,
bedroom. This used to be a bedroom actually.
wow, very, very small.
People used to sleep.
Very, very old. Grazie, buon lavoro.
Ciao!
Okay.
Sabine Rica.
Arrivederci, Sabine Rica a tutti!
Sente, come si dice? Sente, si risponde.
Facciamo un piano. Ci faccio assaggiare.
This is the tasting corner. All the people want to
taste
to
the cheese,
taste.
ricotta cheese actually.
Let's see.
Everybody wants to taste ricotta cheese.
All right.
Mangiamo, così mi dici com'è.
Non glielo so.
No,
assaggia.
Già fatto.
Già fatto.
I already did it.
We already, she already did.
Is it good? È buona? Buona.
Calla calla è ancora. Buonissimo, come vedi?
Grazie. Vittoria. Which way? This one?
This way. Now we have to turn right.
More steps. Good exercise for me after the cheese testing.
Come può essere? Facci tu
Buonasera. Ah, he's working the salt. Chi state facendo?
Schiaccia sale.
Schiaccia sale. So he's making the salt.
No, però da 3 anni che lo facciamo.
He's crushing the salt.
He's crushing the salt, the piece, because salt is a very big piece.
No, ma puoi mettere...
Scusi, siamo in diretta. Metta il sale.
Il sale, sì.
Qua metto sale, voglio anni.
Ok, pieces of salt that have to be crushed.
A me pure vedere.
Vi faccio vedere come...
Okay. That's how they used to crush the salt to become nice and
fine.
Because it has to be fine.
We have to see that
they used to use it and for cooking then.
Yes, and also to preserve the food, no? Because at the ancient time,
no fridge, so they used to use salt to keep all the...
To store the food, to preserve the food.
Hai ragione.
È vero?
Sabini Rica, grazie.
Bene, prego.
Ok, arrivederci. Salt was used for a lot of things.
Yeah.
Just to keep food fresh, actually, because everything, even meat, cheese, everything.
There is a proverb related to the salt. We used to say, siccome a chi drusali, quando c'è che non trovi mai. It means you are like the man that sells salt.
Find it.
Yes, and when you need, you never find it. So let's see this other corner.
The lady who sells all the spices, actually. If you notice.
Buonasera.
Coffee. And all different kinds of spices, because they used to use spices also. Black pepper, where's pepper? I think it's this one.
A very colorful, full of colors corner.
These are all spices.
Rice.
Look, rice.
Paprika, I think.
I think this is paprika.
Yeah.
Flour. This is also salt. These are salt, the different kinds of salt.
Thank you so much. Sabini Rica.
Arrivederci. Okay, now on this corner, over here, there's a lady who sells all the precious fabrics.
Textile, yes.
The old textile. They used to...
Do you want the fabric? Do you want textile?
This is where people used to buy fabrics to make dresses, gowns, everything. And these are precious ones, very fine. That's like precious fabrics. And look, not everybody could afford to buy this fabric because they're expensive actually.
Yeah. And they used to sell on the street. Sabini Rica. Let's see this corner. And then we miss the shoemaker.
The shoemaker
is there. Is there. Oh. Buonasera. What are you doing? Cosa stai facendo?
Un fungiano.
So they are working the iron. I don't want to come too much closer because there is fire.
That's how they work iron in the ancient times, and they made all kinds of knives, everything that they needed.
Sabini Rica, buon lavoro! Now it's time
to Scarparo, the shoemaker.
Shoemaker, Scarparo. Let's try to get inside and see what he's doing.
Let's see what kind of shoes he's making. He's a shoemaker also. Avanti, sapete, fai una cosa bella. That's how they make shoes in the ancient times. They don't exist, this kind of work, jobs don't exist anymore. He's the son of an old shoemaker.
From here?
From here, yes.
So we can say un figlio d'arte. How can you translate?
His father used to be a shoemaker, but that's not his profession, of course.
Hey, collega!
Ma chi stava facendo? Sono stato fatto?
No, chissà, la sa, ci abbiamo lavorato in tutte le manifestazioni, ci facciamo tutti.
Questa scarpa.
Questa scarpa.
Oggi non la sa imparito mai come che si gioca, no. C'è usa fare i piedi, ma ogni volta una scanto che a rovena non ci vedo mai.
Ma tu fai qualcosa?
Sabini Rica!
Sabini Rica!
Ciao, ciao.
Salute e baci a tutti! Ciao!
Ok,
Up! Good exercise. And today is very hot in Sicily.
yes,
It's not winter
I think we have about 20 degrees right now.
Right
because
now,
it's really,
no, but
but today we had 22 degrees.
I put on my crochet items, but I realize normally, you know, I feel very cold every time. But this time I feel very good.
Run.
It's time to run, yes. Ciao, the young generation of Alimena.
Buongiorno.
Yes,
Fuck you!
I don't think, maybe.
Now we have another scene here.
Yes, a craft maker. Kunzanami is a person who makes pots.
Sabini Rica.
Everything that used to be broken he used to fix.
Scaldini, ci mettevo il fuoco e si riscaldava così. Lì c'è il braciere per riscaldarsi.
So again
we have where people used to keep themselves warm, il braciere, una conca.
Write in the comments if you know this ancient way to warm, because your ancestors for sure use it.
For sure these are all the pots where they used to cook.
Grazie.
All the pots, pans.
Queste
They're all made of
le borse dell'acqua calda.
This is where they kept warm water to keep themselves warm during the night.
Wow.
When it was cold.
con salrame.
Questo
Con
era,
salrame.
questo era il frullatore, quello che si pestavano le cose.
To crush food,
Quello che si
like
pestavano
the
le mandorle,
Yes,
i
they used to
ceci,
crush almonds,
and also the coffee,
everything.
everything. Ok, Sabine Rica.
Se bene che così.
Wow, it's getting crowded. It's hard to walk.
There's a lot of people tonight. This position, they put here.
Sabine Rica, buonasera.
Okay, this is what.
Noi stiamo facendo, vedi, contiamo la pietra, facciamo dei disegni e questo è il bel simbolo della Sicilia.
Guys, can you recognize this symbol?
Sicilian symbol.
This is the trinacria. I don't know if you can see.
Un bel simbolo.
You can recognize the three legs that represent Sicily. Lei come si chiama?
Seminaro Giuseppe,
Signor Giuseppe, chi sta facendo qui una trinacria?
una bella trinacria, il simbolo bello della
That's
Sicilia.
the
Bravo.
Sicilian symbol, yes, the Sicilian region symbol actually.
In Sicilia l'ho trovato dappertutto.
Yeah.
Ristoranti
Everywhere
e
you can
tutto
see
lo
the
trovate.
symbol everywhere in Sicily, wherever you.
And they are working
The rock.
The rock is very. It's not easy. Grazie.
Grazie a voi.
This way.
We're almost at the
Again in
end.
the moon over there.
We're gonna go up again the stairs. There's a lot of stairs to go down.
A narrow street. It's also hard to reach a street like this with the car. You cannot park here. You cannot get inside with the car
The
here.
only way you can go in these little streets are by on foot, actually.
Haha. So let's see Quartararo. Quartararo is the man who made the pot. Buonasera.
Buonasera Bossia.
Chi sta facendo?
Stiamo facendo vasi di terracotta.
So they are
Questo è un centro tavolo.
they are working the clay, right? And is making a centerpiece for the table, a pottery centerpiece.
Yes, with clay over here.
Here there is the water to
work the clay. And these are the things that he makes. If you come over there, you can
Quelle di
see
sotto sono fatte di ora.
these are all fresh. And these were all made before.
You can see the difference between these, they are fresh, and the dried ones. Yeah. And of course, you can decorate it and paint them.
Nowadays, because of the ancient times, they didn't really also
You know, Sicily is very famous for the Sicilian pottery, and you can find a lot of Sicilian pottery items on our online store, sicilylover.com. So take a look. And Sabine Rica,
Sabbavica.
Buon lavoro, non si sforzasse assai, che non si campa assai, travagliando assai.
Saluta America.
Salutiamo America, a Canada, perché sennò poi si offendono, e l'Australia. E l'Europa, a tutti. Salutiamo a tutti. Greetings to all.
Che guardano.
You word the salute a tutti.
Very good.
Perfect English.
Ascolta, vieni qua.
Con me parla?
Vieni qua, chiudi però, chiudi.
No, non posso, sono in diretta, non posso chiudere. Ciao. So, this is was used to wash clothes.
Si chiamava come? Non lo so. Meno in italiano. A pila.
A pila.
That's right.
And this way, no?
They used to, yes.
Can you show me, Victoria?
Yes,
Yeah.
they used to do this to wash their clothes. And they used to, with a lot of energy to make them white. They used to use a lot of energy for that.
Let's get inside. Opla. Buonasera.
Della mucca, della capra, della pecora, il latte.
Eccoci qua, buonasera. Buonasera. Vittoria, we have to tell something about these two ladies. So, she's the eldest
lady that's in this nativity set. She's 93 years old.
93, guys.
And she still works what they called the telaio. And they used to work.
She's making a carpet or what?
Yeah, yes, she's making a carpet. If you go near, you can see that she's making. Sì, sì.
Ma chi sta qua per te?
No, niente qua.
She's asking a qua appartiene. It means who is she? Who is she? Who? The right translation is who this lady belongs to.
That's right.
Because it's our way to tell. No, when people see other people for
faces,
you.
Actually.
Who is? A qua appartiene. Who è questa? I'm Rosella, the Queen of Sicily. She doesn't know me.
No, non è proprio di Alimena lei.
No, lei è parente, no.
E questa signora invece sappiamo che ha quanti anni? 90 anni. She's 90.
She's my husband's cousin. And she's 90 years old.
Wow, qual è il segreto per arrivare a 90 anni così? Which is your secret?
Over here we have a lot of old people, 90 and over.
Maybe
Allora, il segreto è questo.
Signorina giovanissima.
So, pay attention, she's revealing the secret.
Il segreto è questo, non pensare mai alle cose brutte.
So, don't think about
bad things.
Only positive vibes.
Well, actually.
Essere sempre con una memoria brillante perché si deve lavorare
Have to have a brilliant memory, actually.
So, you need to use your head
all the time.
Lavorare.
And work a lot.
Deve essere sempre prendere un giornale, leggere.
You need to read, you need to work.
You need to read to eat the right food.
Non è il suo hobby, io tanto per dire faccio decoupage.
She has a lot of hobbies. Sarina, my cousin, I call her Sarina. She has a lot of hobbies. She makes a lot of...
Allora, la mia cugina sa la mia storia e la mia vita. La mia cugina può spiegare tutto.
Sì.
So, but the most important thing, guys, keep your heart full of joy and love and no bad things in your mind.
Don't think bad things.
Only positive vibes.
Have good memory about everything.
Grazie a Gesù che ho ancora la mia testa da giovane.
She still got a very well memory, like when she was
She's
young.
perfect, yes.
Ok.
E allora, grazie assai.
Chi bussa?
Oh, we have the priest of the town, Don Massimo.
Massimo,
Siamo in diretta. Don Massimo, una benedizione in diretta.
Un saluto a tutti i nostri compaesani che sono sparsi nel mondo, soprattutto in America. Auguri,
God bless you.
Benedica.
God bless all the people who live in the United States, Canada and Australia, of course.
This is a surprise. A surprise.
We have to mention all of them.
Look at the carpets. They are. Everything is handmade. She's amazing.
Ci sono tanta gente dall'America, dall'Australia che ok,
Sabini dica a tutti.
Ciao, arrivederci. Ciao Sara, ci vediamo.
Guys, look at this. Very, very high. Taller than me are the steps. So, this way.
This way.
This way.
There's another thing we have to see. This is old, an old houses. The ladies are doing the. These are the old housekeepers actually. Look at them. They're ironing. She's working the wall also.
Buonasera.
She's ironing. Ora a signora Maria Canne dice un bel proverbio.
Salutiamo anche qua la signora che sta facendo lana. She's working the wool. And now we have a proverb. Cosa ci dice adesso?
Un proverbio, ma
io ho schiacciato le mandorle, gli scacciai i mieli e ora il cascuparina stai poliziando, che andavano tutte queste porcherie da te, che poi mio marito ha fatto un carbonietto che scorci i mieli.
Oh, Vittoria, is your turn now?
Now she's been doing the almonds because and now she's cleaned the floor because her husband is gonna come and then he has to do a lot other things like the carbon to warm themselves at night and she has to have everything ready for him.
Ora devo fare il letto.
Now she's doing the bed. Look at the way they're doing. They used to do the beds in the ancient times. Okay, look at it. Because in one room they had everything, kitchen, bedroom, everything.
Ecco qua.
You see?
Abbiamo tutto.
Look at the houses. Look.
Capite che
È risetta a casa.
Now that the house is clean,
she can. Now she has to wait for her husband.
E allora, lui viene da New York.
No, venne di Palermo.
I'm from Caccamo.
Caccamo, esattamente.
E
allora Sabini riga a tutti e grazie.
Grazie a lei che venne e ne fece un po' di compagnia, che ne avevamo bisogno proprio.
She said thanks for coming in my house and she to.
E tanto saluto al suo paese.
E salutiamo a tutti i Sicily Lovers.
Hello to all the Sicily Lovers.
Ciao.
Salutiamo.
Ciao.
Buon lavoro, tagliate il calcio tetto. Look at the roof again. We already did it?
This one, we have to go this way.
This way. Thank you, Victoria, because I could get lost here.
No.
It's like a labyrinth.
It is. It's not a labyrinth. It's because we did all the ancient part of the town.
And it's beautiful. Oh, look again at the moon over there.
Look at all the people that come.
This is our way to say, what are you doing here? And they are kissing, wishing Merry Christmas.
Because we haven't seen each other since during this.
La conosciamo, no?
No.
Dice qua again. Who is this lady?
Looking at a direct Facebook direct. He's going to America right now. America, Canada, Australia.
Now we are getting inside the park of Alimena. This way or the other one? This way. This way? This way? Or this way?
No, this way. Yeah.
Vittoria, where are you going? I'm lost without you.
This side. Now this is attenta. Be careful.
Wow, a lot
Now
of
look at
trees.
How beautiful this place is.
Yes.
You have to take a really.
Yes. From that point we
you can see the town.
The
now.
town, yes.
Alimena.
Let me reach.
We are in a park here, in a natural park. Usually it is. We use, use it for people come here to have a barbecue sometimes. Look.
This is really an old house.
An old house. They used to call it il pagliaro.
Ah, pagliaro, yes.
Pallaro in Siciliano. And here, these were houses that used to be in the countryside, actually, where usually people lived during the summertime, when they had to do their people who had, for example, who had animals to watch, and they couldn't leave them. They used to live in these houses. Now look at Alimena by night. This is what we call l'anime sante, il quartiere anime sante.
So it means,
anime sante,
the holy souls?
Yes, a holy.
Teacher, what about my English?
Your English is very good, actually.
Don't joke.
Very good. Well, mine it's a little rusty now, but I always speak English during my English lessons in school. So.
Buonasera, lei che fa?
Noi siamo venuti a...
He's working the land. Like the most of your ancestors did in the past. Sabine Rica. So also the lady is working.
Yes, they did this because when they have la salva del pane, del frumento, they use this. We made a mistake going inside.
We made a mistake
by walking at the animal. Here, look at what they used to keep the animals.
Ciao, would you like to say hello to our Sicily Lovers friends? Maybe we are in the wrong part?
No, we have to go in. Not this way, but we have to go around.
This way.
No, not this way.
No, so we have to turn.
That way, yes.
Or not? No.
Let's not walk in this.
Yeah.
Let's not walk there because we
yes.
have to go
This way.
That's right.
Guarda.
The duck.
We have the ducks, look, with their little lakes.
Ciao Sicily Lovers, ciao!
Ce ne sono commenti, sì. Ok, look at the sheep.
Ciao! You are beautiful! Are you eating?
I'm afraid. Again, what they used to call il pagliaro, where all the pastors used to live at night. They used to stay here to watch their animals, actually. Questa è la cosa da vedere.
Qua ci sono le pecorelle.
Oh, I can smell another corner.
They are the cheesemakers.
Buonasera. Come siamo?
Perfetto.
Che avevo
Il
qua?
formaggio pronto, eh? È pronto il formaggio? La ricotta. Ok, here, the cheesemakers again here. The ricotta cheese.
Fresh ricotta
Very
cheese.
looks good.
Questo è un pezzettino di formaggio crudo.
Cheese. La tuma, what they call the first, the cheese without any salt, nothing, just made.
Yes, when we put the salt, we call primo sale.
Primo sale.
It means
Look
first
at
salt.
This is already cheese.
Questo è tumo.
So from ricotta, then we have tuma.
This is already from cheese.
Cheese.
Look.
Wow.
When
they are drying
the cheese.
So, because otherwise should be too watery, no?
And
here
Questo è latte e la ricotta.
they call siero.
Il siero, yes.
Che cos'è?
Il siero, it's the thing where you make cheese, ricotta cheese.
Sabinerica.
Arrivederci.
Angelo, stai con tua mamma là?
Ok, we're almost finished actually.
Write in the comments what do you think about this live living nativity scene. It's amazing in my opinion. They did for free, just for passion. All the people here are volunteers.
They're all volunteers, so all work.
More than 100 people involved in the preparation of this
More than
setup.
100 people, yes. A lot of work. There's a lot of work in this.
Here in Sicily we have a long tradition dedicated to the living nativity scenes.
Again, this is a place, what they call a taverna, where people, they used to, let's say, restaurants.
Yes, the kind of restaurant.
Kind of restaurant where people
Yes.
used to go to drink.
To have authentic food.
Some cheese, bread, what else, eggs, and drink a lot of wine.
Buonasera, che facete? Vi passate un tempo? Are you spending your time here? What are you eating?
C'è la patata.
Potatoes, boiled potatoes they're eating
La patata
also.
è buona, la vuole una patata.
Are you drinking wine? State bevendo vino pure?
Can I have one olive? Posso avere un'oliva?
Certo.
Certo, now this I would like to try.
Un po' di vino vuole.
No, water no.
No.
Wine? Buono. It's good. Posso metterlo qua?
America.
E chi mangi?
Buonissimo, very good. The olives are very good. We should drink some wine also, no?
We should?
No.
We can toast with our friends. Yes, let's toast with our friends. But do you have
Un po' di vino per
wine?
noi che facciamo un brindisi. Non c'è?
They finished the wine.
Ah, un bicchiere vuoi?
Yeah.
Un bicchiere?
Facciamo finta, Macca.
Piero, dammici un bicchiere carose.
Pigliamo bottigliere.
Grazie, sono buonissimi.
Wow,
These
red
are
wine.
very good.
Another one, guys.
We need some bread actually.
This is my wine. Not too much, guys.
No, not too much.
Sì, ma ce lo dice in inglese cos'è?
Facciamo.
Questo è di casa, non le fa male.
Sì, ma.
It's time to toast.
We have to toast.
We have... No, siamo in diretta, radio. It's a toast for you, guys. Dear Sicily lovers, Merry Christmas from Sicily. Thank you for this opportunity to drink wine.
Cioè, dire che ne mangiamo la pataglia, la patata, e ne mangiamo prima che giglia. Lo dice Berlusconi.
They used to eat potatoes to avoid to get drunk before the wine. So if you want to drink a lot of wine, eat avoid potatoes.
No, visto che video, no, visto
Guys, it's very strong because it's not refined wine. It's very strong. It's local. Let me toast with these guys. Prendiamo tutti. Salute, salute. Salute.
Con la patata, sì.
To the bottom. Ok, thank you so much. Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Sabini Rica. Ciao ciao. Grazie. Buonasera. Wow. And after a glass of wine, maybe I need some meat. There is so we have a salted ricotta. Then we have primo sale.
Yes, first.
No, senza sale.
Without any salt.
Without any salt.
This is cheese without any salt. And this is
pecorino. What do you call? Pecorino cheese. L'ha fatto lei? Did you eat?
Sì. Lento ormai.
Can I try?
Cheese, she doesn't make
Posso assaggiare?
il balsamo con la...
Let me.
Proprio che ti dico, la metà di questo. No, tutto quello no.
I'm loving this live broadcast because it's a great opportunity for me to eat and drink.
We're gonna eat some cheese also because we had wine, olives, and now we have to eat some cheese, of course.
Oh,
I tell you, it's very good. Come to Sicily.
Come to Sicily and enjoy food like this.
Vuoi assaggiare questo?
Devo parlare.
Ok.
Sabini Rica.
Auguri, buone feste. Auguri, buone feste.
Merry Christmas. Which is your name? Come ti chiami?
My name is Joele.
Wow, you speak English. Are you studying English at the school? Yes. And what about you? Your name? Qual è il tuo nome? Giulia. Ciao Giulia. And let's see here, the fisherman is selling fish.
Anguilla. Bella traduzione.
Anguilla. And then I can see a swordfish. Pesce spada, yes.
Also, I don't know what
Rhombus.
Rhombus, maybe, and these are what?
Questo è pesce palla.
Oh,
Triglie.
palla fish. We used to.
Look at it. And these are triglie, no?
Triglie.
And triglie, Mediterranean. Sì. Oh, like a snake. Look at this. Thank you so much.
Mediterranean seafood, actually.
Questo per mangiare per fare la zuppa di pesce.
So for the fish soup. Thank you so much. Grazie Sabini Rica.
Sabaradega, ciao! Dall'America siete!
America, Canada, Australia, da tutto il mondo.
Ciao America!
Let's go! Wow, look at this.
Bread makers. This is an old, where in the ancient times they used to get
Collect the water.
Collect all the water. Si chiama pozzo.
Oh, and now it's
bread
my
making. Teresa, you gonna give us some bread?
Buonasera!
Signora ci darà un po' di... Rosè un pane, Rosetta!
She's making bread.
Look at the way she makes bread.
Dai, facciamoci la pagnotta pane.
Proprio pane, Rosetta! No, tu ce l'ha queste patate?
Let's see if the bread is ready. Wait for me, aspetti per me.
No, non si può fare niente.
È pronto? Not yet.
No, ancora no.
No, not yet.
Ci vuole per mangiarcelo. Un pochino. How long is it's gonna take to eat some of this good bread?
Aspetta un po' e tiro che è pronto, se no
signor? Ok. Va, prendi quelli pronti che lo dobbiamo assaggiare. We have to taste this bread now because it's fresh made bread.
So
look at the oven where they cook.
And she's cooking right.
Questi pronti.
Wow, they are.
Look how good. Now we have to add some of this.
Yes, but too hot for us.
Vita mia, non ti capisco.
È troppo cavolo per mangiarlo ora.
Mettilo là che lo dobbiamo assaggiare, no?
Ma freddo non l'abbiamo, freddo. Niente, torniamo dopo, è troppo caldo.
Aspetta, vediamo. Dopo non troviamo.
Dai che io lo taglio, dammi lo tagliamo sto panone.
It's too hot. Oh, she's going to cut. Me ne tagli uno qui in diretta. Un pezzettino.
Guarda in diretta.
Scende che ci sta lì la patata o pane.
Wow. Me lo tagli a metà pure quello che l'assaggio, a metà della metà.
Sì, aspetta, questo tieni.
Sì.
Brucia.
Brucia, it's too hot.
Let's taste some of this fresh made bread. Teresa,
This one. Yes, this one.
Teresa.
C'è dire che c'ho da chiede olio.
Let's see this tasting. Let's see. It's too hot.
Venite, qua.
Very good.
Very crunchy. Crunch outside and the heart is so soft.
Very nice.
Very good.
Very good. Da quanti anni fa il pane?
No, io no. Lui è il panettiere.
Oh, ciao, come ti chiami?
Giuseppe.
Giuseppe is the bread maker. Da quanti anni lo fai?
Da 16 anni.
Wow.
Io ho 33.
So, he's 33 years old?
33 years old. He's been making bread for about 16 years.
16 years, so he's really an expert. Wow. And as you can see, he can touch easily without burn, like me. Thank you so much.
Giuseppe comes from a bakery family, a family who has a a bread who makes bread. So
Oh,
that's why,
so
he's been making
that's why
bread.
he's an expert.
He's an expert. He's been making bread since he was practically very young.
Wow.
Not that he's old now.
Thank you so much, Sabini Rica a tutti.
Ma vedi la differenza? A New York 10 gradi meno, qua 20 gradi.
It's a summertime here in Sicily, she's telling us. Ciao, ciao. Look how many people. So now we have the vegetables corner. Wow.
The four vegetable corners here. These are some vegetables, I don't know.
I think it's a wild
Vegetables mostly.
yes.
These are pumpkins.
Pumpkin.
Different kinds of pumpkins, if you notice.
The green one.
Green ones and
the yellow.
The yellow pumpkins that we use.
This is rucola, I think so. And this is cardi, so the steel of the artichoke.
Artichokes, yes.
Tutta secca, io ho tutta secca.
Ciao!
Secca, tutta secca.
What are you selling? Dry fruit?
Yes.
Guai.
These are lentils, a type of lentils.
So then we have pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds are these. These are peas, two different kinds of peas. Rice.
Scusatemi.
Spices then.
Non metterli qua.
Salt, carrots. Then we have peas.
No, lentils and
and this one are peas.
Lots of peas, yes. Dried peas.
Dried peas.
Hello. Hello.
Then we have ceci. Ceci in English I don't remember. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, yes.
No, questo non si chiama questo si chiama sale grosso.
Sale grosso quello, sì. Then we have carrots here. And we have wheat. The grain.
Sopra di voi.
Sabini Rica a tutti. Oh, and then we have the red hot chili peppers.
Questa è la nostra bancarella, frutta fresca. Frutta stagionata dall'anno scorso. La zucchina, il broccolo.
Pumpkins, broccoli, onions with
Uova squadrate.
Eggs.
Cacchi.
Loto.
Kaki. Pears and apples, oranges.
Corbezzoli.
Corbezzoli, I don't know what they are.
There is not a translation in English. You can show me.
Mamma mia. Ma una pizza sul fatto fresca.
Thank you so much. Sabini Rica. Peppers. We also have peppers.
Peperoni.
And,
Mandarini.
watermelon.
Yellow
melon. Yellow melon. Yeah.
Uva. È un melone. Racina.
Raisins.
Uva stagionata sempre dell'anno scorso.
Grazie mille, Sabini Rica.
No, amore. Benedica.
Oh, and now
the fabrics. Before we saw some precious fabrics. Now these are fabrics that they don't cost a lot for everybody who can afford to buy them.
Ciao.
Fabrics. Wool over there.
Hi everyone.
Quelle sotto erano pregiate, queste sono
popolari.
Stoffe
popolari.
For poor people.
Not for poor people, yes, for people.
For everyone,
who
we
don't
can
have,
say.
who don't
Enough
have a lot of
money.
money actually.
Sì, mercato popolare.
Thank you so much, Sabini Rica, Sabini Rica.
Ciao a tutti. Now we're going to the final scene. another family over here, another house. One of the houses where people used to live. Look. Adesso.
We are almost at the end.
At the end of our. Now the lady she sells eggs. Also she sells chickens over there. These are.
Ciao, you are beautiful. Would you like to a donkey? Ciao.
Se vuoi fotografare il maschio c'è pure il maschio dall'altra parte.
Siamo in diretta.
Perché si capisce.
Say hello to our friends. Ciao.
Say hello to our Sicilian lovers.
Ciao Sicily Lovers.
Sicily Lovers.
A posto, questo è un pony,
Oh, this is a small one.
A small horse, a pony actually. He's eating his... Now we're getting to the final scene with Mary, Joseph and Jesus.
Ma l'hanno fatta proprio più bella la cappella. Sì, diciamo più riparata, tipo che hanno...
Now, this is a real family actually. They are the mother, father and the baby that was born. Usually for this nativity scene they use a real family with a baby born this year. So this is a real family. It's husband and wife and the little baby that was born I think in September if I remember correctly. So they use, for this scene, they use a real family.
Wow.
See?
Come si chiama il bambino?
Mattia Stefano.
Mattia Stefano.
Just like today's day, because today is Saint Stephen, Stephen, and the baby's name is Mattia Stephen.
And quanti mesi ha?
5.
So just 5
months, that's right.
Ciao! Ciao! Vedi il presidente?
Non lo vedo qua in giro, però sarà da qualche parte. Poi due capigliuzzi mi fa morire.
Il cantante.
A casa.
I don't see the president of this association because I would like to
thank him for everything.
Yes, because a lot of work, as you can see,
He's the one
and
behind all this actually.
yes, unbelievable because it's really hard to set up something like this, and I really want to thank people like him that preserve ancient traditions like this, because otherwise we will lose our heritage. And one of our mission is to keep alive and strong the connection with the homeland of your ancestors.
Auguri, ciao, buonasera, un saluto alla Sicilia.
Ma in inglese lo devi dire, io parlavo in inglese.
Like the most of you, I'm a daughter of emigrant, so I can understand your feeling with our homeland. And so keep Sicily in your heart. Victoria, I don't see the president.
I don't see the president all over anyway. Oh, maybe it's over there now.
Maybe. Let's see if we can say
No,
it's not the president. Where is the president?
Because we wanted to thank him for everything.
Yes, he's
for this hard work.
I also want to thank you, Victoria, for your support.
It's really my pleasure, actually. I thought I was going to be embarrassed.
Buonasera, ma il presidente dov'è? In giro. Ok, allora me lo salutate voi.
Va bene. Volevamo salutare il presidente per tutto questo.
Diciamo che io faccio parte del direttivo, siamo la stessa cosa.
Qual è il nome della vostra associazione?
Associazione A Casazza.
A Casazza, e cosa significa?
Allora, è una rappresentazione della flagellazione di Gesù Cristo.
So, the name of this association is A Casazza?
And it's an association that represents actually the life of Jesus. From the beginning, and then at the end we saw the nativity set by. It's not a representation of a nativity of Christmas, actually.
Yeah, and again they do it for free, so
Yes,
we really have to thank them for this.
We have to thank them for everything.
And I thank you, Victoria. Also,
nothing,
thank
don't
you,
worry.
thank you to be.
It was really
with
my
me.
pleasure, actually. Even though at the beginning I was a little embarrassed.
Now you are perfect. You was born for this.
No, not really. I don't think so.
Guys, thank you so much.
Bye
See
bye.
you.
It was a pleasure talking to all of you. Sicily lovers, come
to
because
Sicily.
needs you. Because actually Sicily lives for travel, for
Tourism
tourism.
is one
We
of the
live for
most important
tourism.
activity
And
for
there's
us. Activities for us.
Especially these small towns live for tourism and people who come and visit.
And if you want to visit Sicily with us, visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com. If you want to have a piece of Sicily to your home, you can visit our online store sicilylovers.com and enjoy all the authentic Sicilian handmade items. So for now it's all. I forget to tell you how we used to close each live broadcast, so follow me. It's time to say love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao dear Sicily lovers and Merry Christmas again.
To all
Ciao.
the American, all over the world actually.
Don't forget to share this live broadcast. Don't forget to put your thumb up and comments this live broadcast. Ciao!
Bye bye.